Take a look at guns seized by Edmonton Police in a trafficking bust. EPS started their investigation after hearing about illegal firearms being sold on a local buy and sell site.
And an undercover operator touched base with this particular individual, where a meeting was arranged. And subsequent to that, a firearm was purchased.
Edmonton Police worked with the RCMP to eventually arrest 2 men in Saddle Lake, Alberta, now facing 15 different charges. And police say additional arrests and charges are pending.
I would say the majority of our shootings likely don't come from a lawful owner owning these firearms.
The bust from the Firearms Investigation Unit comes as Edmonton sees a rise in gun violence. Some of the guns were obtained illegally, while others purchased legally and resold to someone who cannot lawfully buy their own guns.
This particular seizure certainly is concerning to us, and when you have, we have one magazine that has 100 rounds in it that could be used, and shootings happen daily, not only in the city of Edmonton, but also in the outlying areas, and are a concern to the RCMP and to us.
As of December 14th, 119 people have been injured or killed by gun violence in Edmonton, and that number is up 34% from last year. In Edmonton, Carly Robinson, City News.